Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to download and install CodeLite or software, and thereafter I will explain how to write to C and C++ program there. To know about CodeLite, write in Google CodeLite, and hereafter you will get this. So CodeLite is a free and open source integrated development environment for C, C++, PHP, JavaScript programming language. So by using CodeLite editor, you can write there C, C++, PHP, JavaScript programming. And if you like to know more about, so click on Wikipedia. So before you going to download or install CodeLite, so first we need to download or install GCC compiler. So right here in Google, write to GCC compiler. So right here, the first site is good, I think. So right here, TDM GCC compiler. So this is a site source for. So this site got 5 star. So let's click this one. So right here, TDM GCC mean GW compiler. So this is for 32-bit and 64-bit Windows. This is available. So let's click on download. So this will start soon within 2 seconds. So IDM it takes automatically. So let's click on start download. So it will take 10-second times. So add your TDM 64 GCC 5.1.0. So this is exe file. So let's click on open to installation. So right here I'm going first time I'm installing, so we have to click on create, and this is 32-bit and this for 32-bit and 64-bit. So let's click on next, here, next, here, next. Select anyone, click next. Here, this is a GCC, this is for C and C++. Click on install. So this will take some time. And here, TDM GCC compiler installed successfully. So let's click on next. Hereafter, click on finish. Now next we need to download and install CodeLite. So go in Google and here write CodeLite, and this is on. This is official site. So click there CodeLite, and hereafter a free open source cross platform. So this for C, C++, PHP, Node.js. So let's click on download CodeLite 11.0, and if you wanna donate some money, so here this option available, and you can give or you can donate money by PayPal. So from here, and if you are trying to donate money later, so click on not now, take me to download. So at your download CodeLite. So at your CodeLite 11.0.7 weekly build desktop 25 2007. So this is available for Windows OS Ubuntu 16. So this is for 64-bit, and your Linux Mint, and your CodeLite 11.0 Windows. So this is a stable release. So you can download from any link, and I recommend you to download from here. CodeLite 11.064-bit from GitHub. So click there. So the file size is 15 MB. So click download. So this will complete it soon. So right here the file has been downloaded successfully. So let's click on open. So we need to extract the file. So extract. So this location, that extract that way. So click on OK. So extraction has been completed. Now next let's go the file. See download compress. So right here this file extracted right here. Now next is to install the file. So click there. So at your installation wizard, click next, accept the agreement, next. So at this location that installs, if you want you can change, or if you want then here you can change. Right, go down and here up to next, click next, get the icon desktop both here, next, install. So it will install some. So at your installation has been completed. So look at the this icon create. So here let's click on launch CodeLite. So click on finish. So at your CodeLite cross-platform open source for C, C++, PHP and Node.js IDE. And here a new version of CodeLite is available for download. So let's click on no. And hereafter welcome to setup wizard. So not this time if already. So let's click on next and hereafter scan. Click scan your computer to install. So at your TDM GCC compiler that installed first and hereafter click on next. So here you will get editor themes. So you can select anyone whatever you like. So this is for classic Eclipse and here tomorrow night. So I think classic Eclipse good. So hereafter click on finish. Click no. So this is the console or of CodeLite. So let's click on File tab and here first we need to create workspace. So select C++ and here give the workspace name or CPP. Click OK. So this is generated by path. Click OK hereafter or CPP workspace it's created. Now click on File New hereafter New Project. So at your templates are available GUI. So console user into templates. So click on console to write to C programming. So we have to select simple executable GCC. So for C++, G++ required. So select to GCC. So first I'm going to show you C program. So at here give the project name and that is the project path. So at here giving the project name T test and here click. So this is the compiler or TTM GCC and here debugger and that's click on finish. Now here or source. So at main C. So this is the default code of C So next I'm going to make this program simple, so that parameter not required, and here return 0, that also not required. So here change the debug to Linux, and here have to go to debugger and build and debug. So see, there are no any errors, and from there you can also debug, no any error, and you have to run the files. So we have to go in build, and you have to click on run. So build and execute. So see, hello world, it's a printing there. So printer function do whatever in double quote, so that display. So hello world, so that display. So let's click file here after new project. So this time I'm going to show you to write to C++ program. So select C++ here, give the file name, oh sorry, project name cpp test. Here click next, and here tdm gcc it's okay, debugger it's okay. Now click on finish. So project created, src. So look at here main.cpp, it's come. So here inside the main cpp, so this is the default code. So let's convert this code in C++. So here we need to header file as include iostream, and hereafter int main, so that parameter not required. So at here we need to write cout function to display hello world in the output screen. Return 0, that also not required. Now debug the code, build and debug. So there are no any error found, and hereafter click on build and run the file. So build and execute. So see hello world, it's printing. So this is a simple code to print hello world. So next I'm going to show you to add two number programs. So at here I have taken three integer variable abc. So here cout. So here I'm going to print enter two numbers, and to write to chain to accept a and b values in the memory, and here sum equal to a plus b. And let's write to cout function one more time, and here slash t, so that type 8 character space. Hereafter that print or sum value, so that can concatenate with sum. So here build, hereafter run. So here enter two numbers. So first I'm going to enter 12, 9. So the sum of 12 and 9, the output comes 21. So this is the way we can write to C and C++ program in CodeLite editor. So if you have any doubt related to this program, so leave your comment, definitely I will reply. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.